Some coral love today. I'm going to show you what I got going on. Scat. Scat, scoop. This one has some long like green hair algae on it. I keep tugging it off. It came from when I got it, but it's not getting anywhere else, so. Everything's looking pretty good. My pulsating zinnia does pulsate really nice. That's kind of stuff you want to make sure you keep on its own little island or it's just going to grow everywhere. Same with the GSP. Same with the polyps. Toadstool. I've got a bunch of zoas I put over there that I know are clean. I'm going to put some more here. My hairy mushrooms. Zoa, some more zoas. The hairy mushrooms split again, so there's 4 on there. Some more candy canes I got to get rid of, like I told you. So yeah, tank's looking cool. It's looking good. Just gave me a little coral update. Oh, I missed one. Let me move this over. Right on. Looking good. Have a good day.